If you want to maintain your privacy while using Robinhood, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access Privacy Settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the privacy options. Tap on it to view the available privacy settings. Step 4. Adjust online status. Look for the option related to your online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the settings and return to the main app interface. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Robinhood. Enjoy your trading experience with added privacy.